Hey guys, welcome back to another edition of the Cocktail Guy at Home. I do hope you've been enjoying the recipes we've been making so far. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me and I will happily get back to you. So today I thought we would make not one, but two home hacks on the ever so popular classic GnT. Now these riffs, using marmalade and strawberry jam, will up your GnT game at home absolutely no end. I highly recommend these. I've thoroughly enjoyed making these and also drinking more than one or two of them. You're going to need a few staple basic ingredients, obviously gin being one of them, and some basic household equipment. And that's it. It takes a little bit of time. These can be made, infused overnight, return to them the following day, filter them, whack them in a glass, top up with tonic, ice, done. These are beautiful. It's super simple, guys. So let's crack on. So for the infusion, all you're going to need is whatever gin you have at home. I'm using Bombay Sapphire, it's one of my favourites. You're going to be needing some marmalade and or strawberry jam, depending on whether you're going to be making one or both. For the infusion, you're going to be needing some either a jam jar or a takeaway container. My takeaway container already has another batch of strawberry gin infusing. Some coffee filters to filter the following day after the infusion, something to filter it in. This is the remainder of the infusion I've already done. This is just dripping through the coffee filter. And then you're going to need obviously some ice, glasses, tonic water, and whatever you want to garnish your GnT's with. These guys, these are super simple. I really recommend these. You really need to get on these. These are great. So already, as I said, I have been infusing another batch of strawberry gin. It seems to be my favourite at the minute. Now you can't obviously see this, I doubt, in any great detail, but what we have in here is 100 grams of the strawberry jam, or the marmalade if you wanted to make that, and 250 grams of gin. And then you just seal the container, give it a whirl. This has been infusing for about an hour and a half to 2 hours already. You can see the liquid starting to go red. The gel will start to break down in the alcohol, and then overnight it will end up becoming quite a syrupy red liquid. And then the following day you just filter it through a coffee filter, and what you end up with is this beautiful, clear, red, gorgeous, fruity strawberry gin. Which, I'm going to lean in and see if you can see that. It's beautiful. It's super clear. It's super fruity. It tastes great. I'll be honest, it tastes great on its own. It would be irresponsible of me to do a shot of that, but it smells great. And the same for the marmalade. So this is exactly the same. So it's 100 grams of marmalade, 250 grams of gin, infused in a takeaway container or a jam jar, as I said. And then the following day, filter it through a coffee filter. And again, look at that, that's great. Now I've used marmalade before in a previous recipe. If you're watching this on my IGTV or Instagram, pop along to my YouTube channel. It's the same handle, it's _cocktail guy. Don't forget the underscore. And watch the recipe, it's brilliant. Just uses marmalade. Infuse into vodka if you wanted to do the marmalade grove, as I was demonstrating in a previous recipe. Or in this case, it's gin. So I think let's crack on. Got our two glasses. Let's start with the strawberry. 50 mils into the glass. $50 mils of marmalade I'm going to put in the other glass. Now, I should have already put my ice in by now. I've been off work for a few weeks now, so I'm clearly not thinking straight, amateur. Fill it with ice. Cube ice is absolutely fine. We've got a basic freezer here, so these are fine. Fancy ice if you have it, if you're fortunate enough. Otherwise, cubes are fine. I feel like I'm rocking. There we go. And voila. And tonic. Give it a mix. I'm going to put another cube of ice in that. Actually, I've got another cube over here. I'm going to use these as well. And there we have it. And GnT's. Now, garnishing. I'm going to garnish the marmalade with an orange wedge. There we go. And I'm going to garnish, I've got mince brick here already going. I'm going to garnish my strawberry with mint. Now, slap mint if you wish, just releases the aroma. Don't drop it on the table. There we have it. Two super simple home hack GnT's. Super fruity, uber delicious, quaffable, chinable, delish, and that's it. Done. Infuse overnight, forget about it. Enjoy your weekend, return the next day, filter it, you end up with that. GnT or chuck it in a gimlet. Wouldn't recommend martini, but you could use it more than once. Same with the marmalade liqueur, or the marmalade gin in this case, sorry. And that's it. Look how clear that is. That's amazing. Let's give this a try. Oh, the mint really works with this. Great aroma, it really lifts the strawberry. Going in for the marmalade. Oh, I'm not sure that's my new favourite. There we have it, guys. Really simple. Now, all that's left for me, as I've said before, if you are watching these videos on my Instagram or my IGTV, please do pop along and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is _cocktail guy, as I said before. Click those notifications. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave any comments if you have any questions. I'll be happy to get back to you. But until next time, as I've said before, synonymous with these videos, cheers. Oh, really happy with that. Look how clear it is. You can't see. Let me come closer. Look, super clear. Oh, there we go. Cheers.